Well, here it is for the 1/8 scale 84 iroc Trans Am. And though it doesn't mean that much right now, I mean, I've got one, well, actually, I got both signal lights working. I'm only showing one for right now until I get everything all hardwired to the back. And that's about it. Oh, I did want to point out that I finally got the hardware for the lighting for the headlights, high beam and low beam, turn signal, four ways, and brake lights. It's all right here. Got this from Tenor Controls. It says on it was for the 1/8 scale 66. I think it's 66 Stingray, but I'm at the opinion that I can pretty much use this for any vehicle. I mean, let's face it, it's not going to tell the difference. So I'm going to use this for that, and I'm going to order another one later on for the Trans Am if I can. So it comes with this, with the circuit board, is wires, and I think that's a magnetic controller. Yeah, well, I'll demonstrate that as soon as I get everything assembled. It also came with the LEDs, which I've already installed SMDs, and what you see right there is a amber LED. I already installed these prior to these coming, so no, I mean, this is pretty much some extra bulbs, extra LEDs I'm going to have later. But I'm already using SMDs and 2 LEDs. And if I go around, if I can find it, once again, that's the overhead console. That's the little light right there. I'll put it in a get a focus. I put a LED in there, a lighthouse LED, and I also put a light LED right here for the overhead dome light. And like later on, I'm going to do my my cork insulation for the roof, because I'm not going to have a bare roof, because I mean, this is definitely going to need it because of the extra bulkiness that's up here up top. So I'm gonna have to add the cork in to level this out. And there's the opening for the I guess sunglasses and whatnot. And there's the lens I cut out right there, but that's later on. So I'm going to put in the headlights next, along with the front turn signals, left and right, high beam and low beam, and the fog lights, which go, the driving lights, fog lights that goes right in here. And I'm going to some I'm going to hardwire together, and others I'm going to hardwire separate. Like the fog lights are going to be separate. The turn signals, amber front and side, and along with the tail lights, those are going to be hardwired together. The high beam and low beam, they're going to be separate. I mean, everything's going to be separated according to this, and it also comes with instructions. So there it is. Standard lighting sensor for the 1965. I'm sorry, 65 Corvette. Stingray, but I'm going to use it for the 84 iroc and the 80 Trans Am. Won't make a difference. If I have to do some alterations, then hey, I'll have to do some alterations. But otherwise, I am going to make it work. But anyway, here's my switchboard that I'm going to have to do over, because I don't like that. See how uneven those are? And I tried to make them even, but it just didn't come out that way. That's for the iroc here, for the back, the panel, the opening I created for the panel for the switches. But I don't like these, because these are not straight, and I want them straight. So I'm gonna have to do this whole thing all over again. Yep, do it all over again. And here we have the new brakes. Oh, another thing, I've got some hinges. Let me see if I can put a focus on that, because these are very small. Some hinges for the hatchback that I'm going to put on there. Those are the hinges attached to the hatchback. And that's the front windshield, which I put the black accent on there. And the hinges are going to go right there on the opposite side, which I don't know if you can see it, but I did put some scratch marks for my placement for those hinges. I use hinges